Hello kids, I am Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, The Selfish Giant, Part 1. Old Giant. The giant referred to the same character. Giant is a selfish character, whereas Old Giant is change and kind character. An old giant addressed the audience directly. The action plays out behind him as it described. Old Giant. I once owned a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. Here are these over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars, and they were 12 peach tree. That is springtime broke out to delicate blossom of pink and pearl in the autumn bore rich fruit. The birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly that the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. Every afternoon, as they were coming from school, the children used to go and play in my garden. But one day I came back. I had been to visit my friend, the Cornish org, and had stayed with him for 7 years. After the 7 years were over, I had said all that I had to say, and I determined to return my own castle. When I arrived, I saw children playing in my garden. The giant, what are you doing here? The children ran away. The giant, my garden is my own garden, and one can understand that I will only allow nobody to play it but myself. The old giant pointed out the younger giant working on the wall, putting up a sign, and then listening at the wall. Old giant, so I built a high wall all around and put a notice board. Trespassers will be prosecuted. I heard the children whispering outside the wall on their way to school. Tall girl. Now we have go nowhere to play. Short boy. We can play on the road. Square girl. But the road is very dusty. Crazy girl. All full of hard stones. Round boy. I don't like it. Crazy girl. Graceful girl, let's walk around the wall when our lesson are over. At least we can talk about the beautiful garden inside. Tall girl, how happy we were there. Round boy, it was a very selfish giant. The giant opened a door in the wall and shouts at the children. The giant, ugh, my garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that. I will only allow nobody to play in it but myself. The children scatters. Old giant. Then the spring came, and all over the country there was a little blossom and little bird. Only in the garden it was still winter. The birds did not came to sing, and the tree forgotten to blossom. The people who were pleased best were the snow and the forest. Snow and the forest. Spring have forgotten this garden, so now we can live here all the year round. Old giant, the snow covered up the grass with a great white cloak, and the frost painted all the trees silver. When they invited the north wind to stay with him. When he came, he was wrapped in very heavy fur. He rode all day round about the garden and rejoiced in blowing the chimneys pots over. North wind, there is a delightful spot. We must ask the hail to come on a visit. Old giant. So the old hail came. Every day for 3 hours he rattled the roof and the castle till he broke most of the slates. And he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. He was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. I sat at the window and looked out at my cold white garden. The giant. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. I hope there will be changes in weather. Old giant. But the spring never came, nor the summer. The autumn gave golden fruits to every garden, but to my garden she gave none. Autumn. He is too selfish. Old giant. So it was always winter here. The north wind, the hail, in the frost, and the snow dance about through the trees. Peach tree. Trees bearing round fruits with red and soft skin. Springtime, the season between winter and summer. Delicate blossom, tender flowers, castle, large strong buildings. Trespasser, person who go into the land without permission, whispering, speaking quietly. Scatter, disappear. Cloak, a type of coat that has no sleeves. Wrapped, covered a dress. Rejoice, expressed great happiness. Chimney pot, a short wide pipe placed on the top of chimney. Delightful, very pleasant, charming. Thank you.